Smile greetings. I am Mamta Agarwal, Sujog therapist and lecturer, executive committee member of International Sujog Association, practicing in Hyderabad, India. I am introducing Sujog therapy found by Professor Park Jae-woo of South Korea. He has been coming to India every year and explaining about the therapies. Professor is not with us anymore, but his therapies are keeping us alive and lightened. Sujog, this is a Korean word. Su means hand and jog means feet. So all the ailments are treated on the palm area or on the foot area of a person. This is how we are treating patients every day. This is the sunstroke remedy, viewers. How to take care of yourself and be very healthy and away from the sunstroke. Now in the big bowl we are having the grated onion, and in the small bowl we are having the onion juice. Raw onion is very good for the sunstroke. So there are many people who cannot eat onions. So how do we help ourselves and be away from the sunstroke? Now we have the Sujog therapy, in which our body is in our hand and foot area. So with the help of grated onions and onion juice, we'll do the application on the navel and the head area to get rid of the sunstroke. Here I'll show you how to do the application. We have taken grated onion in one bowl and some onion juice in a separate bowl. Now how to do the application? As per Sujog therapy, this is our navel and this is the head area. So we do the application of grated onion on the head area this way and keep some onion in the center of the palm. In this way we are cooling our system. Make sure it stays in this position for some time till you feel that the onion is quite warm. Then you can remove this onion and place the fresh onion again. You can change the finger also. And place it again. In this way the system starts getting cooled and you are away from the sunstroke. In case you are not able to put the grated onions, in case you are not able to use a grated onion, you can take the onion juice and do the application in the same way. Take some cotton, dip it in the onion juice and keep it in the center of the palm. Take some more cotton, dip it again and cover the head area. As per Sujog therapy, all the fingertips are the head area and insect correspondence. Leave it for some time and then you can redo it till you start feeling better. This therapy can be applied twice a day to get rid of the sunstroke. This remedy is excellent for high fever as well. You can do this in the foot correspondence the same way you can apply on all the fingertips to cool down the temperature. Sujog therapy is a natural way of healing with no side effects and no intake of any medications. Still, we need to take precautions while doing Sujog therapy. So the first precaution to be taken is doing the therapy after having a proper meal. If you are fasting or you are hungry for 2-3 days, kindly do not do Sujog therapy. Number 2, please do not do Sujog when you are in pregnancy. Number 3, if you've had a long day and 2-3 nights without sleep or you are having insomnia problems, please do not treat yourself with Sujog therapy. Go to a proper practitioner who can help you. Number 4, you have to be very careful when you are doing Sujog when you are not allowed to do under any addictions. These are the small precautions when you have to take when you're doing Suchok therapy. Smile, thanks.